Alright, this for all you firework fans. This is my firework stash for 2011. These are a couple of 200-gram repeaters. Some small ones going into bigger ones. Followed by a couple of motor kits. Look like this year's gonna be a good 4th year live for us. It's one of the biggest stashes that I've made. This is my first video. We got some Saturn missile here, 2-pack of 300s, one of 225. Going into some 500-gram cakes. Got my dad whistling in the background. My mom bought me this. She thought this was one big firecracker. I had to break it down, let her know it was 2,000 firecrackers. Got her more excited, so she picked it out. That's mom's choice. Followed by more 500-gram cakes. Got some pretty good selection this year. This one here was bought by my wife. It's a pretty cool 200-gram cake. Got more motors over here. Gonna finish it off with these 500-gram finales. Gave me my finale this year. It's 3 500-gram cakes. I'll be shooting these 3 off with the Blue Barrage. On top we got a couple of sparklers for the kids to be running around. Give them something to do. They won't get hurt with the big fireworks. So guys, thanks for your time. If you liked the video, just leave me some messages. Alright, bye.